When we talk about tax planning with clients, it's not just salary and dividends. We've got a checklist which has over 90 different items that we discuss with them. Such things like the structure of the business. We look at directors' remuneration, whether or not we can make any pension contributions. Look at mobile phones, electric vehicles. We look at salary sacrifice for the employees. Look at long service awards. Look at employee suggestion schemes, EMI schemes, a whole range of things. And I thought I'd run through just one of the examples here, especially when it looks at directors, and that's looking at company cars and electric vehicles. So if I jump back into the tax planning spreadsheet, let's say that they've got a monthly car lease of £600 a month that they want to take out on top of the 60 grand a year. To get that money out at a higher rate, they're going to have to take a dividend of £889 a month to get £600 net cash in hand. Now, if it's an electric vehicle, the monthly lease is £600 cost to the company, but the company can recover 50% of the VAT, so the net cost is £550. It then gets corporation tax relief, so it's £445 a month. Now, obviously, there's benefit in kind on that, but we're still looking at roughly a £400 cash flow saving for the company each and every month by having that lease through the company rather than personally. Now, obviously, it depends on what type of vehicle you've got, but these are the kind of things that we want to speak with the clients to speak about. Obviously, an electric vehicle might not be much use at the moment if you're doing hundreds of thousands of miles a year or traveling up and down the country every day. But if you're doing a lot of city driving or you need a second car, it might be a really tax efficient way to get that and to structure that. So it's again, knowing your needs, understanding what you're wanting to achieve, and then we can give you the options to make the best decision relevant to yourself. As always, it's not about letting the tax tail wag the dog. It's what's right for you, for your personal circumstances, and then letting us guide you and discuss with you the various options so you can make a proactive, informed decision rather than just being told this is a way to do it and not actually seeing the benefits of those figures.